Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make some amazing creamy and delicious butternut squash. So here I have one butternut squash, peeled, washed and diced, one onion and some celery. We are going to add some oil and season, and the ingredients that I'm using will be in the description box below. We are going to mix well. Then we are going to spray a baking sheet and we are going to pour this mixture onto that sheet. We are going to bake in a 350 degrees oven until the butternut squash is nice and tender. It's done after 35 minutes. Then to my stock, and I'm using vegetable stock, I'm adding the roasted butternut squash. Looks amazing. Make sure to taste and adjust your seasonings here. Then what I like to do is to blend. So my hand blender wasn't working, so nevertheless I'm going to blend this until it is really nice and smooth. Then I'm going to pour that back into the pot. Then here guys, we are going to add the magic, some nutmeg and some cinnamon. You're going to mix well, and you can adjust your seasoning here as well. Alright, the amount of seasoning that I use will be in the description box. I add a little bit of chili pepper, a little bit of parsley, continue to mix. I place this back on the stove and for about 5 minutes, and it was absolutely delicious. Please remember to hit that subscribe button guys, like, share this video and comment. I really appreciate it. If you guys want to dress this up, there I'm using just some heavy cream, or you can eat as is. Either way, it is absolutely amazing. Bye bye.